In today's Colorado road trip video, we'll take another beautiful ride from Ouray, Colorado to the world-famous ski resort of Telluride. We'll take an amazing gondola ride and have lunch at one of Robert's favorite spots. On our way back, a bird decides to fly right in front of me. Whoa! We stop for photos at Mount Sneffels, visit Box Canyon Falls and Cascade Falls, and you get to come along for the ride.
This video is sponsored by Southern Honda Power Sports.
This morning we're riding north from our home base of Ouray, Colorado to Ridgway, Colorado. Once in Ridgway, we turn west on Highway 62. While these highways are not as exciting or challenging as the $1 Million Highway, they do offer some incredible scenery. If you've not yet seen my $1 Million Highway video, make sure to check that video out using the link above or in the video description. And while you're at it, make sure to check out Robert White's MOTOVLOGs of this epic road trip at Robert White Moto. When we turn south on Highway 145 to head to Telluride, the scenery improves dramatically. This Cruiseman's road trip is sponsored by Southern Honda Power Sports. If you follow my channel, you know I recently traded my 2018 Goldwing for this beautiful new 2024 Goldwing Tour. Even though I was not planning to get a new bike, the team at Southern Honda made me an offer I couldn't refuse. I actually rode my bike 850 miles from Dallas to East Ridge, Tennessee to pick up and ride my new bike home. Riders routinely fly in from all over the country to buy their Goldwings from Southern Honda Power Sports. Maybe that's why Southern Honda is the largest Honda Goldwing dealer in the US, and maybe the world. The dealership is massive, and you can't believe how many Goldwings they have in stock in their showroom. I was extremely pleased with the deal and the service I received at Southern Honda, and I think you will be too. When you're ready to buy your new or previously owned Honda Goldwing, I encourage you to visit southernhonda.com. The closer we get to Telluride, the better the scenery. Rather than riding the bikes into Telluride and trying to find a place to park, Robert thought it would be a good idea to park the bikes up at Mountain Village and take the gondola, which, by the way, is free of charge. Both the parking and the gondola are free, and it is an amazing ride. If you've never done it, you really should do it.
Where are we? We are at the Mountain Village Telluride Ski Resort in Telluride, Colorado, and we are on the free gondola that runs during the summer and takes people over the mountain into the town of Telluride, and it's some of the most amazing views you're ever going to see. Very cool.
Once we step off the gondola in Telluride, fortunately I have a great tour guide because Robert knows his way around town. We walk around and just kind of see some of the sights, check out some of the shops. I get to shop for a new Telluride t-shirt and just enjoy a beautiful day in Telluride, Colorado. When it's time for lunch, we head to one of Robert's favorite places in Telluride, Floridora Saloon. Tell me what you're having for lunch today.
This is crispy salmon fish tacos, and I'm about to kill it.
And I'm going to have this chicken Caesar salad.
That looks damn good too. Wow.
It does look good. It ought to for $25.
Yeah.
After a delicious but expensive lunch, we decide to take a walk through a local bakery, and man, is this tempting. But we hold off and figure it's time to head back up the gondola and get back on the highway. Robert has me take the lead as we head out of Telluride. And just a few miles down the road, I have a very close encounter with a bird. And I'm not sure if I actually hit the bird or not. It sounds like I did, but I'll let you watch the video and listen to it and tell me if you think I actually hit the bird. Whoa! I almost hit him. Whoa! I almost hit him. Okay, so now it's time to put this 360 camera to the test because I can see this from different angles by moving the video around to capture all 360 degrees. Here you can see the bird just coming into frame. Here's a little bit different angle. I want you to notice the position of his head because it's aiming directly from right to left, like he is flying from my right to my left. From this angle, you can see again his head is pointed directly from right to left. He's trying to fly in front of the bike. Now this angle is straight down from the top and you can see him go by the bike. It's possible he hit the left side of my engine or maybe underneath the mirror. And this final view kind of shows that after the so-called strike, he is definitely facing He is standing straight up. It doesn't look like he's flying straight and level. Looks like it might have straightened him up, but I don't think it killed the bird. He survived and flew off. So after the bird drama, we are back on the highway headed back toward Ouray, and just a beautiful day for a ride. On the way back, we stopped to stretch our legs and take some photos and video at Mount Sneffels. And once again, it's just absolutely perfect weather today. We couldn't have asked for better conditions. Robert gets out his big zoom lens to take this picture of me at Mount Sneffels. I think it's going to make a great thumbnail. What do you think? After returning back to Ouray, Robert takes me to Box Canyon Falls to check out this amazingly powerful waterfall. This is probably the most powerful waterfall I think I've ever seen, and well worth a visit if you're in Ouray. After we take some time for some cheesy tourist photos, we decide to head over to Cascade Falls, where we see some deer grazing above us. Now, the falls here were not as impressive this time of year. There just didn't as much runoff, but it was still a beautiful place to visit. Here, Robert's shooting a video for his photography YouTube channel. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, please give the video a thumbs up. That really does help my YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out Robert's videos, and we'll see you on the next episode.